Ready to jump into cryptocurrency? Not so fast. Buying your first crypto can be exciting, but it's also risky if you don't know what you're doing. In the next 4 minutes, I'll give you the must-know tips to avoid costly mistakes and make your first purchase like a pro. Number 1. What is cryptocurrency? Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses blockchain technology to secure transactions. Unlike traditional money, crypto isn't controlled by banks or governments, it's decentralized. The most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are thousands of others like Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Each has unique features and use cases. Crypto is known for its massive potential gains, but also its volatility. This is why understanding it before you buy is crucial. Number 2. What to do before buying crypto? Before you click buy, there are a few things you must do to prepare. Do your research. Learn about the cryptocurrency you want to buy. What's its purpose? What's its track record? Look for reliable sources, not just social media hype. Understand the risks. Crypto is incredibly volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and crash the next. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Choose the right exchange. Not all exchanges are created equal. Choose one that's reputable, secure, and user-friendly for beginners. Set up a wallet. A crypto wallet is where you store your coins. Use a secure wallet, preferably a hardware one, for long-term storage. Number 3. How to buy your first cryptocurrency. Now that you're ready, here's how to buy your first cryptocurrency in 3 simple steps. Create an account on an exchange. Sign up for a trusted exchange. Complete the ID verification process, and link your bank account or debit card. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your exchange account. Start with a small amount, just enough to get comfortable. Buy your crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount, and confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you now own crypto. Number 4. Key tips for beginners. Here are some essential tips for beginners to keep in mind. Start small. Don't go all in. Start with a small amount to minimize risk while you learn the ropes. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't buy just because the price is skyrocketing. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional decisions. Secure your investments. Enable 2-factor authentication and store your crypto in a secure wallet. Never share your private keys. Stay updated. Follow reliable crypto news to stay informed about market trends and updates. Buying your first cryptocurrency doesn't have to be intimidating. By doing your research, starting small, and staying secure, you can take your first step into the exciting world of crypto with confidence. Have you bought your first crypto yet? Let us know in the comments which coin you're excited about. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest tips on investing and crypto.